I'm sure you're wondering what this is. Keep on watching to find out what we made. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Sele Kalio, and on this channel we teach you how to make your own skincare products at home, DIY skincare recipes, and so many other things about beauty and everything in between. Now today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your bar soaps into liquid whitening, body polish, whatever kind of soap you want to make. By the way, my knuckles are not dark. The camera is making it look that way. Okay. All right. So first of all, you want to measure out how much liquid soap you want to make, and then you will measure out your soap bars. If you want to learn more about measurements and all of that, join my upcoming training, which is starting on the 22nd of March, and where I'm going to be teaching you how you can measure out your recipe, your ingredients, and also how you can make your own recipe. And also, if you want to know the kind of soap I use to make this, you definitely want to join that class, because I'm going to be revealing a lot of tea that nobody tells you about. Okay, so here we have our soaps. I have two different soaps, in bar soaps here, and they are very nice soaps. You want to know more, join the class. So I have shredded my soaps into small bits, small pieces. This will make the soap melt easier and quicker, because I don't have a lot of time on my hands to wait around. So I have my water in my double boiler and it has heated, and now I'm going to add my bar soaps into my water to dissolve, and then we will take it from there. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell, that red bell there. Please hit the notification bell down below. Oh no, it's not red, it's actually green. No, it's not green, it's blue. Please hit the notification bell down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me your comments in the comment section. And also let me know if you would like a bar soap or a liquid soap. Which one works best for you? I like both. I gravitate towards both, you know, whenever I can. Okay, so I'm just adding all my soap, shredded soap, into the bowl, and now we're just going to wait for that to dissolve completely, and this is going to dissolve into a very beautiful soap. And then you can add your actives in this soap to give it whatever result that you want, but you have to make sure you understand, or you know what kind of ingredients there that are used to make the soaps, the bar soaps you're going to be using, so that you know what kind of ingredients you're going to be adding to it. For this soap, we're not adding any form of actives. We're just going to be adding, you know, things that will help the soap stay longer, because we have water in it. Hey guys, how you doing? So I have a very nice and beautiful news for you guys. We're having a 50% sale on all our sets, not individual products, only sets. So if you want to get any of my products, you want to experience the Posh Skin Secret, you want to join the Flawless Skin Gang, then you have to take this time to leave me a message in the comment section, or you can DM me, or you can send me a WhatsApp message using the number that is provided in the description bar. Now we have different products. We have a full range of products. We have products for kids, we have products for mature skin, we have products for younger skin, we have products for skin issues, dermatitis, we have products for all skin colors and ethnicity. So it doesn't matter whether you're dark, whether you're fair, whether you're white, whether you're caramel, whatever skin tone you have, we have a product for you that you would love. You want a product that I use, something that will whiten your skin or lighten your skin, or take you from one complexion to about 2-3 shades lighter, then we have those products for you. If you want something that will moisturize your skin, something that will, you know, help to glow your skin, we have this product. We have everything that you need. All you have to do is send me a message now. We have limited products for this sale. We're going to keep the sale running until the end of the month, but if we run out of product before the end of the month, there's nothing we can do. So if you want to partake in this sale, you want to join the Flawless Skin Gang, you want to start using my products, you want to experience the Posh Skin Secret, then you definitely want to hop on this and get any of our products. So we are having a 50% discount sale. Now we're going to try as much as possible to take as much orders as we can, but we have a limited quantity of products, like I said, and we're going to be taking these orders all through the week, and then we'll start fulfilling them from next month, first week of next month. So if you are interested, definitely hop on this. So now I'm going to add my propylene glycol, and propylene glycol is a humectant, which means it carries water-based ingredients into the skin. It also absorbs moisture in formulas, and it also reduces bacterial growth and also help the product last longer. Now you remember that we have what's it called, water in this product, so we need to use ingredients that will help keep the product safe. Now I'm also going to be adding tretinolamine. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct, but I call it TEA, and this product is a stabilizer and a pH balancer for cosmetics and skincare products, and it is common in products like liquid wash and all of that, anything that you can wash off on your skin. I'm also going to be using willow bark extract, and this is good for irritated skin. It all helps to soothe irritated skin. So let's take for example that the ingredients that you add, or the soap is gives you irritation on your skin. This will help soothe it, more like aloe vera as well. If you have aloe vera, you can add aloe vera as well. Now remember, because we added water in our soap, we are going to preserve it, and the best preservative to use right now is phenoxyethanol, and that's what I'm adding here into our soap while it is still double boiling. So now all you have to do is stir and wait for it to melt or dissolve completely, and then you can go ahead to store. Let me just show you that this thing foams really well, and it's really beautiful, and it lathers really well. So this is my bottle that I will be using to store this soap. Now I just want to show you what it looks like when it's still hot. So I'm going to try to pour this into my container. Like I said earlier, you can use any soap bar that you want. Here I'm using a soap bar that I made from scratch. If you like to learn how to make this soap and so many others, you want to join my next class, which is on the 22nd of March. So yes, this is what the soap looks like when it's still warm. Now if you leave this overnight and it cures and settles in properly, it becomes more like a creamy soap. So just keep on watching so you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here is the soap when it's still hot. This is what it looks like, still liquidy, still fluidy. And then here is the soap overnight. This is what it looks like. Very beautiful, very beautiful soap. So you can imagine what other kinds of soaps you can make from this. You can make any kind. You can add your actives in this, and it will still give you the result that you want. Look how creamy and beautiful it looks. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.